Welcome. This presentation shows how AI and machine learning are starting to power modern projects. The slide visualizes a neural-style brain and process flows, pointing to four practical areas: predictive analytics, resource optimization, risk assessment, and automation. Over the next slides, we'll explore how these capabilities turn historical records into live foresight and make project delivery more proactive and predictable. Here we break down the core functions. AI mimics human cognition to automate routine decisions, while machine learning learns patterns from historical data to predict future behavior. Together, they shift project management away from gut feel toward evidence-based leadership, turning records into foresight that supports smarter choices and continuous improvement across schedules, costs, and risk exposure. This slide explains AI-driven forecasting and proactive steering. By mining past schedules, KPIs, and market feeds, analytical models predict duration, cost, and risk exposure. The important part is continuous retraining. Models flag issues early, creating an early warning signal weeks sooner than traditional reviews, which lets teams proactively steer projects and improve outcomes rather than merely reacting to problems. AI-powered resource optimization matches skills, availability, and workload into an optimization engine that balances capacity across squads. The result is fewer bottlenecks, reduced burnout, and higher utilization without manual juggling. The visual highlights how shifting from spreadsheets to intelligent allocation improves fairness, keeps teams productive, and lets managers focus on outcomes rather than spreadsheets and firefighting. For risk management, the slide shows two complementary approaches. Natural language engines scan contracts, emails, and logs to surface hidden threats, while Bayesian models score probability and impact to suggest mitigation steps. Together, they turn messy text and signals into prioritized, real-time risk updates so teams can decide quickly and keep registers current with actionable recommendations. Adopting AI requires a structured evaluation and pilot approach. Start by evaluating platforms for predictive scheduling, chat assistants, and RPA. Then prioritize open APIs, sector-specific adaptability, and governance. Run a focused pilot on one workstream with clear metrics, gather feedback, and scale only after validating results so rollout stays controlled, measurable, and aligned with organizational needs. Data integration is the foundation of model accuracy. The slide shows CRM, ERP, and timesheet feeds funneled through secure pipelines where records are deduplicated and common taxonomies enforced, creating a single source of truth. Clean, centralized data is what lets algorithms learn reliably, so investing in pipelines and data hygiene directly improves forecasting and decision quality. Building adoption and trust means hands-on learning and visible wins. Provide sandbox access and micro-learning so planners can test suggestions safely, celebrate early wins to build momentum, and keep human-in-the-loop checkpoints for validation and final authority. This combination reduces resistance, encourages iterative learning, and ensures AI outputs are validated before being actioned. Good governance combines algorithm audits, privacy controls, and accountability logging. Audit models for bias and unequal allocation, enforce strict data privacy and access controls, and record every recommendation and decision in an audit trail. This approach protects people, meets compliance requirements, and enables transparent post-project review, so AI becomes a trusted aid rather than a black box. Measuring impact means tracking KPIs like forecast error reduction, schedule adherence, rework cost, and team satisfaction, then benchmarking AI performance against pre-AI baselines. Use those metrics to justify expansion. Prioritize model tuning and guide continuous improvement cycles so investment decisions are data-driven and gains are clearly tied back to tangible project outcomes. Looking ahead, AI will transform project work through three forces: technology, synergy, such as generative AI plus digital twins for scenario simulation, automated dynamics like self-healing schedules and real-time renegotiation to keep plans current, and role evolution, where planners become strategic coaches focused on validation, oversight, and high-value decision-making rather than manual scheduling tasks. The roadmap ties everything together. Secure executive sponsorship. Pick a high-value pain point. Assemble a cross-functional squad. Iterate rapidly on data and models. Embed governance early, and scale only after measurable wins. This sequence aligns top-down commitment with agile experimentation, ensuring deployments deliver proven value and are scalable, accountable, and sustainable across the organization.